The vetting process and the selection process was again different than we had previously done in normal NASA procurements. Again, since this was a partnership, not a NASA procurement, we had a lot more freedom than you would normally have in a standard NASA FAR contract procurement setup. We actually had the opportunity to work with the partners and vet what their plans were. We were allowed to work with them to develop milestones that could mitigate any risks that we were potentially finding. And since it was an agreement, we had freedom to actually implement a lot of those things that we couldn't normally do on a FAR. I think from the requirements perspective, again, on a Space Act agreement, you can't have formal requirements. But what we did levy or provide to the partners was a set of the future requirements should NASA actually procure the services. So we had a top-level list of the goals and the overall service requirements that NASA would potentially purchase from the partner. It wasn't very detailed specs on the how to do it. It was more of the what we wanted to get done and left it up to the partners to figure out how they were going to go implement the potential requirements. So regarding the business plans and our analysis of the partners, it was really, really important as we went through the analysis that one of the key aspects during the analysis process was, does the company really have a viable commercial market other than NASA? The ability for the partners to commercially sell their services to other partners or other customers was vitally important to us. We didn't want to be in a position where NASA was supporting the entire infrastructure required for the company to make money. We had two basic goals when we started the COTS program. One was to enable the development of new cost-effective cargo transportation systems to LEO and the International Space Station. But our second was also to help the United States become a little more globally competitive or more globally competitive in the global launch market. And we think we're fairly successful with that.